So welcome to Bravado by Century Communities. Today is the grand opening. Now behind me, we are going to be touring their largest floor plan, which is a 2119 model. So don't go anywhere. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a favor, guys, hit the subscribe button, the like button, the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome to the grand opening of Bravado by Century Community here in North Las Vegas. Now guys, just to give you an idea of where we're located, the nearest cross street is going to be North 5th Street and Ann Street, okay? So we're in a great place here in North Las Vegas. We're about 20 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip, probably about 25 minutes away from the airport. Now guys, this community literally just opened up. They haven't sold any homes. They haven't actually released any homes just yet. But I do have some information for you guys here, okay? So I will have the floor plans on the screen. They offer 3 different floor plans here: 1792 square feet, 1943 square feet, and 2119 square feet. These are all going to be 2-story homes. The base prices are going to range from $459,990 all the way up to $479,990. Now guys, when you look at those base prices, just know that lot premium and upgrades are not included, okay? So if you want to add those in there, I want to say they don't have too much information now, but out the door, you're looking at about like low 500s is going to be the out the door price here, okay? Now here in this community, what they're going to be doing is they're going to be doing spec homes. So spec homes just means that the builders are choosing all the options. The buyers can't choose any options, okay? The pros with spec homes is that because the builder is choosing the options and they're starting the construction process, these homes are going to be done a lot sooner than if you were to build by yourself, okay? Now the HOA here, they're going to actually have 2 HOAs here, okay? This is going to be the first homes that they start to make here. The HOAs over here are going to be $45 a month, because once you turn left, you're going to hit a gate, right? Once you get into that gated community, most of their homes will be there. If your home is in the gated neighborhood, it's going to be about $79 a month, okay? Overall, this community is going to have 98 lots. Average lot square footage, you're looking at about 3,500. Yeah, guys, that's all I got for you. So let's get started with this tour. All right, guys, so welcome to the plan 2119. Now this is a 2-story, 3 to 5 beds, 2.5 to 3 baths, 2-car garage, and the base price as of today is $479,990. Out the door, you're looking at about like, I want to say like the low 500s. Now all they do here again is spec homes, okay? So that means the builder picks out all the options, and they're usually going to be completed within like a, you know, let's say 2 to 4 months. A lot sooner than if you were to build from ground up. Okay, cool. So we head into the entry door right here. Welcome in, guys. As soon as you walk in, you have really high ceilings right here. Okay, now this is their largest floor plan. Now again, guys, this is not the model house. This is just a house. Literally, it just opened up today. They did some, you know, light furnishing, but they are still building the model homes. But yeah, you got living room, dining room, and kitchen. Now, if this model looks familiar, they do offer this these type of floor plans in Cadence as well. The community is called Modena 2. Now, with this floor plan, you do have a bedroom downstairs, okay? So if that's important to you, then this floor plan might be the one. I think the other ones, yeah, the other 2 floor plans don't offer bedroom downstairs. Okay, so here we go. We got your full bath. So we have a bedroom down there. You know, you're gonna have your shower. So you got beautiful vinyl plank flooring. Okay. Now, most of the spec homes, they are going to upgrade the flooring. So, you know, they're not going to leave carpet on the first floor. That's a hard sell for sure. I know most buyers don't like carpet. Okay, plenty of cabinets right here. Okay, you also got a lot of windows to allow for the natural light to come in. You're gonna have your pantry here. Got some storage space down there. Now here's your 2-car garage. Okay, you got a water softener loop, and then you have a tank water heater. Okay, stainless steel undermount sink. I'll show you guys the backyard. Now this backyard is, this is kind of what you could expect for most of the lots here. So most of the lots are going to be about 3,500 square feet. And this covered patio is an upgrade that the builders usually, choose to do. I'm not too sure if a lot of the spec homes are going to have this. And then usually you have about, when you move in, you're going to have just a dirt backyard, just as you see there. Typically you have about a year to landscape your backyard. That's how much time the HOA will give you. Okay, so also you have 9-foot ceilings on the first floor. And then you're gonna have 8-foot ceilings on the second floor. Now, as soon as you walk up, you're gonna have this really nice loft. Really spacious loft. Okay. Cool. So you're gonna have the 2 bedrooms over there. And then you'll have your primary bedroom right over here. Okay. So let's check it out. Now guys, if you are interested in new construction communities and you're thinking about visiting a new construction community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit and help you out with the process. Now, if you have a realtor, make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. You just want to make sure you have representation, guys, because if you go by yourself, the builder agent's going to ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Once you give them that information, they're going to log you in their system as having no representation. Now, the big main concern with that is the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. So definitely important to get some representation. Okay, so this is going to be your full bath, dual sinks, toilet, shower tub combo. Okay, I'm sure most bathrooms are going to look like this here, except, the finishes might be different. Okay, so we do have your linen closet. Okay, laundry room. And then right here, we do have your other bedroom. These bedrooms it's a good size. I'll say it's a good size. Okay. Here, I just want to show you guys. So that's going to be like the community over here. They're starting to build on this street first. So there's going to be a gate over here, okay? A gate that leads you into this neighborhood. So these homes right here won't be in a gated community, which is why the HOA is going to be lower. It's going to be $45 a month. And then once they start building inside the gated community, it's going to be HOA $79 a month. Okay, so it's the primary bedroom. So you got Mojave High School right across the street. Walking distance to the high school. Okay, spacious primary bedroom. Again, 8-foot ceilings. I'm sure most of the spec homes are going to have the pre-wire to the ceiling fan, so that way you could connect a ceiling fan and a light. Okay. So we got the walk-in shower. More space for linens. You have your toilet room. And then your walk-in closet. All right, guys, that wraps it up for their largest floor plan, the 2119. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Again, guys, if you are in the process looking for new construction, give me a call, shoot me a text, especially if you want to work with somebody who's an expert with the new construction, somebody who has relationships with the builder agents, because usually stuff like that matters and we could typically get you the best deal, guys. So yeah, give me a call. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.